Hi, I'm Kathy from Dee's with another holiday decorating tip. Today we're going to show you some ideas that you can use for your dining room table. Normally I'll have a very large arrangement on here, but I always have to remove it when we have dinner. So for Christmas I like to keep it a little lower, that way you can use it when even you and your company's here. Today we're going to start with a table runner. You might have something you like to use. This is actually some wide ribbon that we rolled out on the table to just that very trendy black and white. Looks good with all Christmas greenery. I'm going to start with a little candle holder inside, sort of a lantern with one of our everlasting lighted candles inside. We're going to just put that in the middle, and then we're going to add some trees. So a very simple idea is you might even have some little trees that you want to use, and then maybe need to buy a couple extra. I go all the way down sometimes with the trees. I have some little colorful trees, a little sparkle. I have 3 of those. I think you need to have at least 3 of something to make it really look right, but not too random. And play around till you get the look that you like. Now this one's kind of big, so I'm going to switch it out, I think, for this little one. I think the big ones need to be more toward the center and go out smaller at the ends. And let's try that one down here. If you want to, you could take a little bit of ribbon, and if you just want a little bit more color, you could tie a little ribbon around the trees. You could even add some little lights into the trees. I think it needs a little bit more at the bottom. So we have these pine cones. You could do natural ones. These are some flocked ones we have at the store. I'm gonna lay those in. This could be baubles, ornaments, maybe special ornaments that you've collected. They don't show up on the tree very well, so you could do that on your table and everybody get to see them a little better. And then it's always nice for the holidays to add some lights. This is just a 30 count battery pack that I'll be able to hide under some greenery. And then you can either put it up in your trees, or I'm just gonna kind of wrap them around the trees. Whoops, they're wired, so I can make them go pretty much where I'd like them to go. Around into the candle ring, and I have enough actually to go all the way down. And then I'll have my little pack, usually under some greenery. So that keeps it nice and simple. And if you do need to remove something, it's very easy to do. So don't forget to join us on Facebook for some of our other design tips, and also for our Christmas open house, November the 9th on Saturday from 10 to 6.